Hey guys, is your smartphone locked and you don't know how to unlock it? Don't you worry, it's much easier. You will just need a laptop and a data cable. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and push the bell icon to get all the notifications of our YouTube channel. So, do we get started? First of all, you have to download a software called the Doctor Phone. Link is in the description. Install the software in your PC or a laptop. So here you can see this is the software. There are many options. You have to select the unlock option, click on it. Connect your smartphone to PC with a data cable and click start. So after connection, you have to select your device brand. Mine is Samsung. Select device name, Galaxy S3, and last is to select your device model. Now press next. Here you have to write confirm to confirm device model. Confirm. And now press start. It will download recovery package. It will take some time. So it's done. Our smartphone is unlocked. It's easy, right? If you had liked this video, hit that like and subscribe button. So I will see you in the next video.